Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. This morning, guys, I woke up, walked into the garden, and saw this dragon fruit kind of laying on the side. It wasn't secured, so I decided to replant it. I had no plans on doing any work in the garden because that's what I was doing yesterday. So I found an empty spot inside this trellis right here that I wanted to replace the dragon fruit with anyway. So I took it out of the other trellis that you saw earlier, and now I put it inside this trellis right here. I was working without my tripod, so I had my camera in one hand and the dragon fruit in another hand. Shout out to my boy Jeff for the Ocean Forest dragon fruit potting mix. So after I put it in there, I just used that potting mix to cover the dragon fruit and just kind of smoothing it out a little bit. And then I repotted some of the dragon fruits for a very special member of the page. Hopefully I get to see them later in the year and give them that dragon fruit. So there it is. It's all secured. That is the natural mystic, the small one. That's the potted. And now these are some extra bonus footage of different varieties that I have budding and fruits that I have growing. So that one is the Valdivia Roja, as you can see with the VR. The other one was the No ID. This one is Haley's Comet. Very delicious fruits. All the fruits that I have is very delicious. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think my least favorite is probably Valdivia Roja. It's sweet, but it's just not juicy at all. Right here is the Sugar Dragon, one of the sweetest hands down in the garden, and a universal pollinator. So I could use that to pollinate all the plants inside of the garden. And then we have a Guatemalese. That is also a delicious fruit, and that's a newcomer, so I'm excited to have multiple of those fruits this year. And last but not least, this is the Mr. Wu Bud, and this one is going crazy. I'm gonna have a whole bunch of Mr. Wu this year. All right, please hit the like, share, subscribe, and also do me a huge favor, hype the video. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one. It's your Cali Bro J, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace.